Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy sage and onion stuffing with added bacon. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. The brains of the outfit, i.e. my wife, suggested it might be handy if I listed those ingredients for you. So the ingredients are 50 grams of butter, 2 medium onions chopped, 50 grams of bacon lardons, 1 tablespoon of fresh sage chopped, salt and pepper to taste, 120 grams of fresh breadcrumbs and 1 egg. Anyway, on with the cooking. First thing we do is melt the butter in a suitably sized pan. When it's nice and hot, add the onions and saute off for a minute or two. When a minute or two is up, add the lardons and continue to fry off for a further 5 or 6 minutes. Fry this mixture gently. You're only looking to soften the onions and cook the bacon, not give it any colour. After frying the bacon and onion mixture off for 5 minutes, transfer to a suitable sized mixing bowl, add in the sage and mix in well. Then it's time to add the salt and pepper and again mix through. Remember when adding the salt that the bacon is already salty, so don't add too much. Then you add the breadcrumbs to the mixture and you've guessed it, mix together well. Then when this is done, allow the mixture to cool completely before adding the beaten egg. When the egg is thoroughly combined in the mixture, just refrigerate the stuff until you're ready to use it. You of course could use this stuffing to stuff mushrooms, chicken, belly pork, whatever you want really, but we're having it as a standalone dish. So it's off to a suitably sized oven-proof tray, then off to a preheated 180 degrees C oven for 30 to 35 minutes. I do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. Hopefully we'll see you soon again on the next one. Bye for now.